गोमंत विद्यालय ज्या प्रांगणात आपण बसलेलो आहोत, ह्या शाळेमध्ये ज्यांनी पहिले 10 विद्यार्थी जे इथं दाखल झाले होते त्यांचा, तसंच ह्या संस्थेच्या शाळांमधून जे उत्तीर्ण होऊन गेले आणि त्यांनी विशेष कामगिरी केली आहे, अशा या व्यक्तींचा, अशा या विद्यार्थ्यांचा इथं आता सत्कार होणार आहे. आणि या सत्कार समारंभाची सूत्रे सौभाग्यवती वैष्णवी सांडे यांनी आपल्या हाती घ्यावी अशी मी त्यांना विनंती करतो.
Good evening, everyone. Respected chief guest of today's function, Mr. Lakshmikant Parsekar sir, guest of honor, Dr. Bhushan Bhave sir, other dignitaries on the days and off the days. At BBSS, as we bask the golden glow of exploration and excellence of 5 decades, we pause to look back and remember and to express our deepest gratitude to ones who showed trust in our school and began their educational journey with us. The first enrolled students of the very first school under the banner of Bhausaheb Bandodkar Shikshan Samstha, Gomantak Vidyalay, Pillai. Because I personally believe that to be first is not easy. It takes faith, trust, and a heart that dares to try something new and challenging. So loads of appreciation to these students and in particular their parents for the support they gave to Gomantak Vidyalay during its initial phase of inception. We are really privileged to recognize and honor the first 10 enrolled students of Gomantak Vidyalay. I request all the dignitaries on the days to kindly come forward and humbly request the chief guest of today's function, Mr. Lakshmikant Parsekar sir, to felicitate these students who are now young ladies and gentlemen. Let's begin with the felicitation ceremony. The first student to be enrolled in the register of Gomantak Vidyalay, Miss Bharti Shivachari from Dhausire. I would refer to all these ladies and gentlemen as Miss and Master instead of Mrs. and Mr. because when I refer to them as Miss and Master, they will relive the memories of the wonderful years of Gomantak Vidyalay. Next we have Master Divakar TK from Khandepar. Master Divakar TK from Khandepar was among the first 10 students enrolled in the very new school in Khandepar. Students then were like young budding kids who had in fact added colors and shine to Gomantak Vidyalay. Next we are having Master Vithoba Phatrekar from Usgaon. Master Vithoba Phatrekar from Usgaon. Next we are having Master Narayan Dattu Gaude from Okam Dharbandoda. Narayan Dattu Gaude from Okam Dharbandoda. Students then from the nearby vicinities of the school enrolled themselves in the very first batch and created wonderful memories for themselves as well as for us. Next we have Master Tipu Gaude from Okam Dharbandoda. I'm sure for all these students who are meeting after so many years, it would be a kind of a dream come true to meet their classmates after so many years. Next we have Master Harishchandra Yashwant Gaukar from Darbandoda. Master Harishchandra Yashwant Gaukar from Darbandoda. Harishchandra Gaukar is being felicitated at the hands of chief guest. Let us give them a huge round of applause and cheer them. Next we have Master Shantanu Atmaram Gaus from Pilem Darbandoda. Master Shantanu Gaus is being felicitated at the hands of registered as Master Shantanu Gaus, but now being honored as Dr. Shantanu Gaus. Next we have Master Ramdas Moraskar from Usgaon. Master Ramdas Moraskar from Usgaon. Master Ramdas Moraskar from Usgaon. Next we have Master Kishore Kashinath Naik from Darbandoda. Master Kishore Kashinath Naik from Darbandoda. Master Kishore Naik is honored by felicitating him at the hands of the chief guest. And the 10th student to be enrolled in the register of Gomantak Vidyalaya is Master Shivdas Raghuveer Naik from Usgaon. Master Shivdas Raghuveer Naik from Usgaon. These 10 students entered with tiny steps in the building of Gomantak Vidyalaya, and today we can see them blooming in their own lives, feeling colors to their own lives as well as spreading colors of joy and happiness to each and everyone that they have come across. We are honored to honor them, these role models. Actually, it was a very difficult task to select very few from the list of many. But following certain criteria, we try to do our best to select few of our shining stars. So let's begin with the felicitation of the outstanding students. I request today's guest of honor, Dr. Bhushan Bhave sir, to kindly do this honor of felicitating these students. To begin with, the outstanding students of Gomantak Vidyalaya, Dr. Sandesh Madkaikar sir. We are having with us Dr. Sandesh Madkaikar sir. He passed his SSC from Gomantak Vidyalaya in 1984. He did his MBBS from Goa Medical College, Bambolim, and also did his post-graduation from there. He is awarded as the best doctor from late Shri Manohar Parrikar to Shri Naren Savaikar, Shri Ravi Naik, Shri Shripad Naik, and wherever he has served. He is serving our village of Pilem Darbandoda for last 12 years persistently, day and night. We are pleased to know that he is soon to be promoted as Deputy Director in the Health Services under Government of Goa. Let's give him a huge round of applause because it's a moment of pride for us. Dr. Sandesh Madkaikar. Dr. Uday Kudalkar. Dr. Uday Kudalkar. Dr. Uday Kudalkar is a resident of this Usgaon and alumni of Gomantak Vidyalaya. He did his MBBS from Goa Medical College, Bambolim. He did his MS in anatomy from GMC. He is currently working as an associate professor in Department of Anatomy with regular teaching experience of 27 years. Besides this, he is a lifetime member of Anatomical Society of India, lifetime member of Clinical Anatomist, and is also associated with many organizations including Sai Life Care Sankling. He is also honored and felicitated by many organizations for his remarkable work in his field. Dr. Uday Gaokar, the Vice Chairman of Bhausaheb Bandodkar Shikshan Sanstha, alumni of Gomantak Vidyalay. He did his MSc, B.Ed and PhD. He also completed his Diploma in Computer Operation and Diploma in Environment and Pollution Control. He also holds Konkani Shikshan Sarat. Presently, he is serving as a Deputy Director of Education in Central Education Zone at Panjim. He is also served as Principal of DIET, Headmaster of Holy Cross Institute, Principal of Damodar College. He has also worked as Project Director under Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan. He is honored with many awards in the field of education, literature and social service. Along with this achievement, he very efficiently shoulders the responsibility as the Vice Chairman of BBSS. Honoring Dr. Uday Gaokar sir. Next we have Dr. Samir Manohar Patil. Dr. Samir Manohar Patil. Dr. Samir Manohar Patil passed his SSC in the year 1988. He did his PhD from Goa University. Presently he is working as Controller of Examination in Goa University. A big round of applause to all these shining stars, role models for all the student community sitting among the audience. Next we have Mr. Nilesh Ramakant Natekar. Mr. Nilesh Ramakant Natekar. He passed his SSC from Gomantak Vidyalay in 1988. Mr. Natekar completed his BE in Computer Engineering from Goa Engineering College, Parmagudi. Currently, he is working as Associate Professor in Department of Computer Science in Government College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Sankling. It's indeed a moment of pride and honor because we have been the ex-students of Mr. Natekar sir. Congratulations sir. Next we are having Mr. Govind Bakkar sir. Mr. Govind Bakkar sir. He passed his SSC in the year 1982, completed his BSc, B.Ed and then MA in English. He is a renowned theatre artist across Goa and other parts of the country, presently working as Secretary of Hans Natya Mandal, Ponda, along with shouldering his responsibility as Headmaster in G.G. Sawant High School in Bichole. He has performed versatile roles in numerous dramas in Goa and outside Goa, in places like Maharashtra, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Kerala. He is honored with Best Actor Award by Kala Akademi and also by Gomant Vidyaniketan. He is associated with many cultural organizations. His dynamics as theatre artist are varied and unique. Next we have Mr. Mitesh Ramnath Gaokar. Mr. Mitesh Ramnath Gaokar. He passed his SSC in the year 2007 with distinction from Gomantak Vidyalay. He completed his Masters in Pharmacy in Quality Assurance. Currently, he is working as pharmaceutical chemist in charge of Pharmacy Department of Hospital Pharmacy at Goa Medical College, Bambolim. Next we have Dr. Sampurna Bhumkar Narvekar. Dr. Sampurna Bhumkar Narvekar. She passed her SSC from Gomantak Vidyalay in the year 1999. She did her post-graduation in Preventive and Social Medicine from Goa Medical College, Bambolim. Presently, Dr. Bhumkar is working in Directorate of Health Services as Medical Officer at Sub-District Hospital, Ponda. Next we have Mr. Rajaram Patil. Mr. Rajaram Patil. Mr. Patil passed his SSC from Gomantak Vidyalaya in the year 1988. He completed his BSc in Chemistry, Diploma in Pharmacy. He also completed his postgraduate diploma in Human Resource. Presently, he is serving as Senior Food Safety Officer at Directorate of Food and Drugs Administration at Bambolim. Next, we have Mr. Siddhant Gauss. Mr. Siddhant Gauss. Mr. Siddhant Gauss passed his SSC from Gomantak Vidyalaya in the year 1992. Mr. Gauss did his BCom and entered the field of business. He is the proprietor of Bhumika Sales House and also the proprietor of Godrej Inspire Hub. Next we have Mr. Umesh Fatte. Mr. Umesh Fatte, a renowned theatre artist. Mr. Umesh Fatte, a renowned theatre artist. Mr. Fatte passed his SSC from Gomantak Vidyalaya in the year 1984. He is serving as a theatre artist for last 40 years in different positions as writer, director and actor. He has played versatile roles ranging from historical, social to mythological characters. At multiple occasions, he had also shouldered the responsibility of judge for inter-school 1-act play competitions at Kala Akademi. He has also acted in Konkani film and interviewed by Doordarshan at multiple occasions. He received many awards for his acting, writing and direction by Kala Akademi in Goa and other forums outside Goa too. Honoring Mr. Umesh Fatte. Mr. Govind Kushtagaonkar. He passed his SSC in the year 1990 from Abhinav Vidya Mandir. He completed his BCom. He is a very well-known social worker who has served as ex-Panch, ex-Sarpanch of Village Panchayat Molem and ex-Zilla Panchayat member of Tarpandoda. Next we have Dr. Jano Zore. Outstanding one. Dr. Jano Zore passed his SSC with distinction in the year 1992. He did his MBBS from Goa Medical College, Bambolim. He also did his MD in Biochemistry from Goa Medical College, Bambolim. Currently, he is working as Associate Professor in Biochemistry Department at GMC, Bambolim. Dr. Jano Zore is being felicitated at the hands of the Chief Guest, Mr. Lakshmikant Parsekar Sir. Ramnath Gajanan Gowde. Mr. Ramnath Gowde passed his SSC in the year 1987. He did his MA in History. Presently, he is serving as a clerk in Molem Village Panchayat. It is worth mentioning that he is a national award-winning author with stories featured in educational syllabi of Standard 9, BA course and MA course and recognized with multiple literary awards including Bal Sahitya Puraskar and Yuva Sahitya Puraskar. Next we have Mrs. Swati Swapnil Parabgaonkar. Mrs. Swati Swapnil Parabgaonkar. She passed her SSC with distinction in the year 2000. She did her BA and then completed her LLB. Presently, she is working as public prosecutor at Children's Court in Panjim. Mrs. Swati Swapnil Parabgaonkar is being felicitated. Next we have Advocate Nishikant Tulsidas Usapkar Sir. Advocate Nishikant Tulsidas Usapkar sir. He passed his SSC in the year 2001. He completed his BCom and LLB. Presently, he is practicing his services as advocate and is also known and recognized for his social service as he is a social worker too. Moving ahead with the outstanding students of Matoshri Anandibai Vaman Marathe Vidya Mandir Dalbandoda, we have Dr. Divya Damodar Bhagat, alias Divya Vishad Pole. She passed her SSC in the year 2007. She secured her MDS degree in orthodontics and dentofacial orthopedics. Currently, she is working as lecturer in Department of Orthodontics in Goa Dental College, Bambolim. Next we have Mrs. Tanmay Vithaldas Nadkarni Prabhudesai. Mrs. Tanmay Vithaldas Nadkarni Prabhudesai, ex-student of Matoshri Anandibai Vaman Marathe Vidya Mandir as well as ex-student of V.S. Lad High Secondary School. She passed her SSC in the year 2007, completed her LLB and currently serving as coordinator in Child Helpline in Directorate of Women and Child, Margao, Goa. Moving on to the outstanding students of Vishweshwar Shankar Lad High Secondary School, Pilem Dalbandoda. We have Advocate Mr. Raghuveer Varde. Advocate Mr. Raghuveer Varde. Mr. Raghuveer Varde passed his 12th from Vishweshwar Shankar Lad High Secondary School. He was an outstanding student throughout his academics, always scoring remarkable marks. He completed his post-graduation. He completed his graduation in commerce, completed his LLB and is currently practicing as an advocate. Next we have Commando Mr. Divesh Kelkar. He passed his 12th from commerce stream in the year 2012 and then did his ITI in the year 2014. He initially joined Goa Police Department. In 2020, he was selected for Anti-Terrorism Squad and completed his commando training. He also participated in many operations and capacity capsule course with NSG Commando Mumbai. Being conscious of physical fitness, he represented his department at All India Police Athletics Championship. Commando Mr. Divesh Kelkar. Next we have Mr. Ditendra Naik. Mr. Ditendra Naik passed his 12th from V.S. Lad High Secondary School and then completed his BCom and MCom degree. He joined Police Department in the year 2001. He was selected for the post of PSI in the year 2006 and in 2021 he was promoted as Police Inspector. Mr. Ditendra Naik is being felicitated. Thank you very much, dignitaries. Here we come to the end of the felicitation ceremony. As we honor these remarkable individuals, we also reignite the hopes and aspirations of every young student sitting in the audience. Once again, a big thank you to all the alumni. You are and will always be our pride that we will fondly cherish in the depths of our heart. Thank you once again. Now, to proceed with the function, I would like to hand over the charge to Manoj and Sonia. Thank you.